Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock off your Twitter account on Twitter app. So here I will go and open my Twitter. So here if you want to log out of your account, you go and tap on profile icon on top left here, and from here we go and tap on setting and privacy, and from here we go and tap on your account, and from this page we go and tap on account information, and from here you will can see lockout option here. If you tap on it you will log out of your account. So thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe to our channel.